masem, amamati, niaminem yasi, say o shabrana senkrabia. Bibonia na seti boni, ebusia me free mu diamenti asio. Minya mi ei, chemasi. Yeah. Missy one grand over Kamasum. Amamanti, niaminem yasi. Niana e gram ya mi dieni ya dead. Eba ne say, nada ne bonyo nei. Ebushemu sambia so simio. Wine crane me jefo. Ogyefo ni wayo. Eja meti me wasio. Ogyefo ni wayo. Odon faje jisewa. Ogyefo ni wayo. Eja meti me wasio. Ogyefo ni wayo. Odon faje jisewa. Baby sasa busia bena fremu. Say grana wabusia tie. Odi chamia na south to samia.
Do you want problem?
No.
You are my brother. I don't want you to get problem. That's why I want to give you the genuine land. So that you be free.
My place, let's say water day for that place.
There's no water day there. No water day there. I give genuine, but
it's okay.
What problem?
It's okay.
If what problem, I can give it to you and you go your way. You are my brother, why? Trust me. I don't want you to get problem. That's why I give you genuine land.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, let's go. So this land, my land, the way you give me, like say that water day for that. No, that's exactly I'm complaining.
It's sure why in here. We'll be crack to talk land you won't see. So I build the above foundation. I'm not perform. But no, just I say for full. But the year, what about the dumping from despite me? Or take a course for money, quote money at the end. Now, who's this land? If you go to Nigeria, get this land. Huh?
Okay, well, good, mo. But you know, say now this thing.
Everything is fine.
Where we, don't hold me. Where we are going? Where we are going?
You are not. I'm going to show you different land. No problem. Don't worry. I'll give you correct one than other one. Okay?
Don't see. That one. The sun is too much. See, I'm listening. The sun is too hot. I don't want you to waka. Nothing where they do. Me, I tell you. Because the sun is too much. Me, I tell you.
Okay, you know something. Let's go home. Even I will come back.
Now turn the fire that your mouth.
Now we said the sun. I'm going to
say the sun is too much, and then you are telling me we should go to the house. See, if you don't want yourself for trouble,
my friend, nothing will happen. Because me no know more you me tell you. Me tell you. Excuse me. I saw you don't. I'm going to show you another land. And you do the. What do you mean? Am I a kid for you?
If
like my friends will be forget everything will be fine.
Don't I said
hey, my best friend. This is the land. Let's go and show you the land. Everything fine. Hey, come, follow me. See this land. A very nice land. It's bigger than another one. Oh, from here now, could see other building. Could see other building, and then go to other building. That's the big land. It's all for you. You like rice? You say rice is there. You take it. Are you okay? You okay? Oh, why, bro? My child was as full from. I'm saying, we okay? Yes or no? Umpa na my child be full. Where do you son? You know what I say? Who call EDUCATIVE? Or more top people? Ukodunko people, your top people. Na katepira na they be fair. And when you don't have problem, you know say you're afraid don't for no. No be feel am I.
So why are you giving me?
Oh here. Come. Wow, you see the land? A very big and nice land. Waiting the year full. Waiting the diamo. Waiting the sifi. No so feel. You understand? Are you okay? Very nice. See from Ano. Oh, blow. Oh, this building. Oh, yeah. I could see other building. Oh, other bro. Oh, let me show the land finish. No. Ade. Are you serious? Bro. Are you serious?
See. Me Bediide me no mkwan. You Ghana boy, you want to treat my life?
Senior. Walk by there. Senior, I'm going to go on himself. I'm going to
Uncle, when you give that water, when you give them that water,
Senior, any penny, any. Oh, let's come with them.
Please, I want to ask you a question. This land, it belongs to who?
Assassinate there, or mine there.
Okay, Assassin.
Yes.
Oh, Ade. Oh,
thank you,
bro.
Good Samaritan. Thank you. See, I swear to God, today you will feel pepper.
Bro, that be our man, not your man, I say. Huh?
See, you know, say, at any time I go catch you, they take my mind, they do this. If I go like this, you take me go here. If I go like this, you take me go here. After we are coming, what did you tell me? You told me, say, you are coming to show me what? Land. You see that the man said? That's the Amasati. You don't know nothing about it. And then you lead me come here. Now you are wasting my time. You want to waste my life, my time and everything. Today, your color, I will change it.
I will show different land. I will show different. But
I don't go past here. Sorry.
You like this one? The road. Oh, bro. I'm a human being. Why you treat me like this?
Hey. Huh? No, me, I'm not a human being. I'm a goat. I'm not a human being. I'm a goat.
Bro. You know something? Let me tell you something. Bro, I beg. Oh, look what you do. Oh, sorry.
Hey.
Sir, please.
Today I go ship you like my child.
I'm sorry. I'll show you different.
Hey.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm your brother. I'm sorry.
You take me go merry-go-round, Abby?
No.
Leave me. I not go ship you. Leave me.
But if I go police station. Police station.
Police station?
Yeah, like
so
it.
Police station, they'll go and chop my money. Oh, leave me. I don't go keep beat you. Don't worry.
You're good. Good brother. Bro.
Yeah. Listen, one crown over Kamasum. I'm a mountain, Yaminam Yasi. Yana, a gram Yamidian, dead. A ban say, not done a boy.
Actually, I know what them have come to crash them into. What was the left with them about a boot to own? Just like the mimic and possess a mount. Won't hear the mimic.
I'm not Pacasa.
Mimi Pacasa.
I'm not Pacasa.
What Mimi Pacasa?
Mention someone to a lawyer. And I wear judge.
They are all canon.
And I wear magistrate. Where circuit court? Magistrate. Why are you making so noise? Why?
Mimi making.
You are making so noise.
Okay, so be making so nice, dear.
If I explain it to you, what do you do?
Me will be the
you have nothing.
So catch me and we will be
What did be away rap?
Do I right here and maybe
shut up!
Also shut up!
Shut up!
Also shut up!
What do you mean? What do you mean? Hey, what's up?
Who be Simon Sada?
Hey, what's up?
I never master.
What's from China? Hey, what's up?
Sabrat and ban one who can that's all born as one minimum cry.
Me body wants my friend. My friend, me body your body.
Simon won't.
Me body your body.
It's the all can know.
Me body your body.
They are all can know.
One moment you have a number.
Me mama dia.
Say me ko this and say me on baby ah. One moment you have a number. Nkwandewa.
Me.
Nkwandewa.
Who so sad?
That's a magama.
Who so sad?
How your mommy can you hear?
Who so sad?
How your mommy can you hear?
This man come come.
Any come.
I showed it.
One bottle.
I showed it.
One bottle.
And I just saw him.
Are they? Maybe I could out. How dare you?
I can't look at him and say, you are down for no. A true media branch and better, but I can't tell you, and you are down for no. Now you're young, and then we'll want to be better here. Ever come, so I know what I did. What's the boy, Papa? I know a press one way. I saw it in Bassay. Ever meditate on me. Also the name me the way here. Me no piano. And I want to join. I know neck. Me no piano. I know neck. I know now. I know neck. Me yo. Kwaku Ziabro. Kwaku. I know I'm Tankan. I don't anyway. What you know, China? I know now. What you I know. Men passes so swell. I know what you men passes so swell. I'm watching the way. I'm watching the way. I'm watching the media. I say Kukuru and you want to say, and the son you will be for. Remember, and you will be for. And Mount Cocataman. Sana, we are and Tamakobasano. And wasn't what it? Mama dear flat. Everybody Maniati. Sa for mine now. Odiemino. Atimani so. What it? What could you be the uncle? Atimani so. We are mammy. Me mammy with me. Naras the Allah. I the uncle. Me are so watching. Me are so watching. People say be a few minutes a day. Me free. Sabin pretty as I am near sober. A Kiana no Aburuko could say, I fear you couldn't look at an answer for. You who has a million echo. And I was confirming Papa. No one ever began. Now, went you? Are you? Well, where we start some can. I mean, maybe I'm in Packer can beg I. What was this idea? In Packer can beg I. I not maybe, sir. I know why you did. I know Kwaku. I know Kwaku. I know that. I know that. I know that you're clear. You can be out. I know I know China. Take over there. I know what I would on. Of a bull. I know I could say, Casa and Casa. Translate one. Me none of Master Son. Oh, me, and none of me, Master Son. Yabadam. And none of Master Son can be yes, and I can be more be a Slovia. Me fellow be our and China. I was said the crack, and he panel to me for. I don't know what attention. Tente me the other. Tente me the other. Why are tenting young Sabin won it? Yabadam, we are like I said, tell me. So never put that good trans. So why? So Moses said, Pajaman me did not. Not how you did not. No, Missy Jack, but go, Chinichum, what's the fee? Best I never go. You look about what I asked. So you want to go. Never be a fan called Guy. Now, who's your Fiasa? I sing the room. People are not for many gay big guy. Many I have a queer or China for we. Mambo Nibe. I know your answer or the water. I was one of the best Shibru. If we are down with anyone, Jenny with no return. And they may ye. If you had to have one, I can't be a kuna and I don't friend of Amashika wisdom. Our one, Amashika is. You're down here, one of our say, I plan who just say Bassa. Fie say pasa sama busua. Me fie say pasa sama busua.
What for you?
Pasa for busua.
What for you? What for you?
Say I you treat am ba say. I no man never come me busua. No one come. Wo ba ka so bi fie.
We baby akwe. We baby akwe. And you join my and your comments are
but you are sure better fee.
What was your fee?
Ebane say na dane bonyu nei ebushemu sambia so simi o
Papa, please.
Wine crane me jefo.
How are you?
By God's grace, so I'm doing good.
Oh, okay. Sorry for the last time what happened, and I'm here to apologize for my behavior towards me. And now I have known the truth, and the truth shall make me free, or everybody over here to be free. Check the last time what happened over here.
The land issue.
Exactly. And I went to the Lance's office, the place that they make this in.
Lance.
So I went there and they checked. I think that my own, the one I have, is no original one. Even your brother, your uncle, own is the original one. So I'm here to apologize, or maybe you call all the others or the people you know, all your families, to beg you for what happened, and my behavior towards me is not working good at all.
Okay.
Sorry for that.
It's good that you know the truth.
Okay.
And you even wounded me.
Oh, sorry.
Well, for that one,
Sorry,
it's one of those things.
Sorry.
But when you're no credit, there, and you're born beer. Said, what can I ever hear him organize it? I'm in a menu apalo.
Okay.
I didn't want to come away.
Okay.
Now watch them without being one. So also by so furniture.
Okay.
Now about furniture.
Okay.
Bonnie be any.
So, not only you, Papa, especially your wife and your small daughter, and some of the people over here, let me apologize to them. Because in my hometown, when you betray somebody, or maybe when you do something not at all, it's not good, you have to go to the people over there, go and beg them to say sorry for them, and I think say everything is okay.
As for this one, there, no problem. I will arrange it.
Okay.
But my short advice is that next time, be careful.
Okay.
Be careful and don't by your heart.
Yeah.
There are some issues you need to take care. Yeah. So I will arrange. And I thank God that my elder brother, maybe at that time, didn't even curse you.
Curse?
I tell you.
Wow.
I tell you, so I will thank God that he didn't curse you with Antoine Suenyama.
What is Antoine Suenyama?
It's a water, small portion of water. Like,
did they wash their hands?
He curse you with that water. Within range 6 months, you will be impregnated.
Pia, mbano, all I janna magozo na nkribu. You're more toko boko. Or you're more toko ya. Please, I want to take my lady.
Okay.
So anything.
And as for you just said that I should call all my family.
Yeah.
I can't do that because we are many.
Wow.
And some they are not around. Most of them are in abroad.
Okay.
So I can't call them.
So I think that the few ones maybe you know them. I think that you will call
that
them.
One, yeah, I will do so.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Okay.
All right. So I want to take my lady.
So you are going?
Yeah, I'm going.
Kwata.
I have to go because one of the things I'm doing over there, I have to. Do you understand?
What I mean is kwata.
But I'm going there, go and do something because what caused problem over here?
You don't understand what I'm saying. I say you are going and I say kwata.
What is the kwata?
You have asked me to call the family, so you have to do something. Kwata. You don't understand the word kwata.
What is kwata? Kwata is what?
Okay, you go.
Well, let me know, Papa. Why did you?
Kwata is like you have to leave something.
Okay, leave something.
So I will use it for arrangement.
What is something?
As I want to casa. What do you watch me?
So please, I'm going. I will see you later.
You can stay.
Okay, I have to stay. Yeah.
If you wish. Me, I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, I'm not rich, so I'm going.
No, we should then go. I'm asking you kwata kwata. You say, what is kwata kwata? You don't know kwata kwata. You don't know kwata kwata. Naughty boy.
Jeremiah Bonnie, when you and I diako, Susuma.